really a pleasure to have you all here, especially if you look around the composition of how we found together here today. I mean, all of you are representing different entities here in this area, in this region. We have representatives here from De La Salle University, Green Ants. We have representatives from Motolight, from the Passerelle Numérique, and the Capili. By the way, Capili, they are manufacturing products from human hair.
Today really marks a very remarkable moment as we gather to celebrate at least 3 circular economy practices and innovations. As mentioned by Dr. Evers earlier, we've been doing on our own initiative for several years, or for more than a decade, nearly 2 decades now, a lot of corporate social responsibility programs.
Really love the title of our event today. It's collaborating for a sustainable future. But what we can think about for the next few years is not just sustainability, because sustainability is just adding no additional harm to the environment. What we must look forward to the near future is being a more restorative or regenerative future.
So we would also like to thank very much our partners for the circular economy innovation, for really finding time to be here. I know some of you medyo gipit, no? But we thank you for being around, for our good director to see your very amazing innovative programs and projects.